Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the round push button on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's damaged or missing. For this repair, I'll be using a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dryer we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire. Keep in mind, you might have one that's not quite exactly the same as this, but the same technique should still apply. Just make sure you turn your gas off. So this is the button we're going to be replacing right here. On your schematic, it's going to be push button number 4. So to get that out and replace it, we're going to have to take off the top of the dryer first here. So we need to remove these 2 screws right here. We're going to be using a Phillips head screwdriver. And once we've got those screws out, we can pull the top back and then lift it off and put it off to the side. So now we're going to unscrew these 2 screws here. And we'll take off the grounding wire. And now you can lift up on the control panel. And now we'll unplug all these wires here. And just make sure when you're removing these wires that you're pushing it on the tabs to release the wires from the board. So this is our electronic control board. And to get this off of our control panel, we're just going to need to remove all the screws now. Now we got a couple more screws that are inside that we have to get out. Now that we've got all of the screws out, we can lift up on the control board and separate it from the control panel. So this right here is our push button spring. It's just a big piece of plastic with a bunch of tabs on it that are pushed in anytime you push the button. So to get it off, we're going to release this tab right here, and we're going to pull the spring out. So this is our button from the other side. In order to get it out, I'm just pushing up on it from the other side, and it just comes right out. And now you can grab your new OEM replacement round push button, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. Now to put it in place, we're just going to line up that notch right there in a button with the tab that's sticking out on our control panel. And once it's lined up, it sits in there nicely, just like that. And now we can put our button spring in place, and we're just going to line up those holes with the notches and click that tab back into place. So now we're going to line up the pin here with that hole, and everything else should line up nicely if we can get that into there. So now we've got that set into place, and now we can screw it all back down. So I'll start by putting the screws into the middle pieces here again. So now we'll plug all of our wires back in. There we go. So now we're going to slide our control panel up, and you're going to line up the holes down here with the little tabs that are sticking out. And we're just going to reattach our grounding wire here. Now we're just lining up our holes and screwing it back in. Now we'll put the top panel back on. And when we do this, we'll just slide it all the way forward until it's in place. And then line up your screw holes and screw it back in. There you go. Now we can turn it back around and your repair is complete. Now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.